PLR Me Review 2026, Best Website for PLR Digital Products. In this video, I am going to give you an honest review of PLR.me and help you decide whether it is actually the best website for PLR digital products in 2026. If you are a coach, consultant, course creator, or online business owner, and you are tired of writing every single piece of content from scratch, you have probably come across PLR.me. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, meaning done-for-you content that you can customize, brand as your own, and use or resell. Let's break down what this platform actually offers and whether it is worth your money. Let's start with what PLR.me actually is. This platform has been building its library for over 18 years, and it currently has more than 18,000 products across 69 categories, with new products added every single month. The content focuses heavily on personal development, health, coaching, and wellness niches, covering topics like anxiety, weight loss, parenting, money management, business marketing, and stress management. Now let's look at what you get. PLR.me offers a wide range of formats, including ebooks, articles, checklists, email sequences, journals, card decks, video coaching programs, and audio content. Everything comes with fully editable source files, so you can add your own name, logo, colors, and voice before publishing or selling it. One of the standout features is an AI tool built into the platform that helps transform a single piece of content into multiple formats quickly, which is genuinely useful if you want to repurpose one article into a blog post, an email, and social media content. Let's talk pricing. PLR.me uses a credit-based system rather than a flat subscription. You can choose monthly or annual plans or use a pay-as-you-go option with no recurring commitment. Simple items like wallpapers or short forms cost as little as 1 credit, while more complex products cost more. Credits can get as cheap as around 30 cents each on higher tier plans, though pay-as-you-go pricing starts higher. Now for the genuine strengths. Customer feedback and independent reviews consistently praise the writing quality, calling it well-researched and professional compared to a lot of low-effort PLR content elsewhere online. Many long-time users, including coaches and authors, report building real, profitable products using this content. And the platform has a strong 5-star general reputation on review platforms like Trustpilot. But there are a few things to watch out for. Some customers have reported frustration with the credit expiration policy, meaning unused credits can expire on a set date even if you intended to use them, and this has led to some negative reviews. It is also worth noting that PLR.me's refund policy is generally strict once credits have been used, though the company has shown a willingness to resolve complaints and issue goodwill refunds in specific cases. And like any PLR platform, if you plan to sell on marketplaces like Etsy, you need to meaningfully customize the content, since simply reselling the same unedited file as thousands of other buyers risks account suspension on stricter platforms. So is it the best website for PLR digital products? For coaches, consultants, and creators in the personal development and wellness space specifically, PLR.me stands out for content quality and depth. If your niche is something like faceless brands or trendy Etsy-style printables, you may want to compare it against other PLR providers that focus more heavily on that specific style. Now for some pro tips. Start with a small credit pack before committing to a bigger plan so you can test the content quality yourself first. Use your credits promptly rather than letting them sit, given the expiration policy some users have run into. And always customize the content meaningfully rather than reselling it as is, both for platform compliance and to make the product genuinely feel like yours. That's my honest breakdown of PLR.me. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest platform reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments, have you used PLR.me before and what has your experience been?